Hey guys, it's Brett from HeyAuto. Welcome to the My Offers dashboard. If you're interested in purchasing private seller inventory, this feature is for you. Let's show you how it works. Okay guys, the email that you're looking forward to receive from us, this means that a customer wants you to make an offer on their vehicle in your dealer portal. So all you do is when you receive that email, you click that, it's gonna take you into this dashboard. To get started, you guys, you have to have a credit card on file. That's managed through Stripe. And the only reason for that is if you transact with a customer, we bill you $250, only if you purchase the vehicle. There's no other fees associated. So real simple, real clean, real easy. So you guys see the Offer Now button. You click Offer Now, that's gonna show you the details of the vehicle, the VIN number, the photos, all the information that you need to make an accurate assessment of the vehicle. Remember, this is an estimated offer, so put your best foot forward to be competitive. So you've placed your offer, you've sent it off to the customer, they're good to go. It's off your plate. What you're hoping for is that next notification email that says, hey, a customer wants to chat with you. They're ready to potentially sell you their vehicle. You'll get that access. It'll send you into the chat. You can chat with them, exchange information, and get them into the dealership and purchase that vehicle. You're going to notice that there's a 72-hour clock. This is the 72 hours that this vehicle is up for auction, which means you can bid anytime within this time frame. Once that's closed, the consumer has time after that to be able to communicate with the dealer that they want to transact with. Let's face it, we know how this goes. You might put an offer that you're like, ooh, that was a bit low. You can go in at any time within the 72 hours and upgrade your offer. You're like, I put it in at 17, I think I'm gonna go 20 on this one. Put it in there, the customer will receive that information and they'll know you wanna play ball. This is a bid to win situation. You want to get this customer into the dealership, so bid aggressively. Remember, you can chat with HeyAuto support at any time in this offer. Put your best foot forward, get that customer in, book an appointment, and buy that vehicle. So that's it, guys. This is about getting you more inventory. And remember, you only get charged $250 if you transact. This is an estimated offer. The goal is to get the customer into the dealership, price their vehicle, and potentially sell them something else. Enjoy My Offers by HeyAuto.com.